Hello everyone, welcome to Red Potato Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook Tom Yum chicken. For those who haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button below. Without wasting more time, come, let's start cooking. Okay, first what you need to do is you need to chop off the bulb and the upper stalks of the lemongrass. This time I'm using 3 stalks of lemongrass. Next, you cut all the lemongrass into slices. And then you cut the galangal. Okay, now you put in all the ingredients in the blender and add in some water. And blend the ingredients until smooth. After you're done, heat up the wok with medium-low heat and pour in some oil. After the oil is hot enough, you pour in all the blended ingredient in. Stir fry them until the paste pecah minyak. Once the paste already pecah minyak, you put in 2 tablespoons of chili paste or chili giling. Then you continue to stir until it well mixed. Next, you put 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and stir them well. After you stir the paste for about 3 to 5 minutes, you can add in the chicken. Continue stirring the chicken until they are well mixed with the ingredients. Next, you need to put in 1 cube of Maggie chicken stock and 2 cubes of Maggie Tomyam stock. And then you pour in some water to make some gravy. Okay, now you need to keep stirring the chicken until the cubes dissolve with the gravy. After all the cubes dissolve with the gravy, you need to simmer the chicken and stir once in a while to avoid burning. Add some water if you prefer more gravy. Simmer them again for 3 to 4 minutes.
Few moments later.
Next, you need to put in some evaporated milk. And then you put in 1 bird eye chili to make it more spicy. Next, you just keep stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes. And if you feel like if the gravy is a bit dry, then you can add in more water. And now, it is done. So, what do you think about my Tom Yum chicken? Pretty simple and easy to cook, right? That's all for today's episode. I hope you all like it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you again in the next episode. Bye!